Hi everyone, April here from Beach Crochet and Diamond Paint. I got something from Hobby Lobby today. I've been working on this blanket now for some time and it's almost done, but I need a little something to kind of, I guess, change my view on things and kind of get my mojo back. I'm kind of like, you know, and I've been loving to crochet this blanket I've been making, but I don't know. So I was at Hobby Lobby today with my mother-in-law because she had to get some things for her projects she does. She works with Scentsy and Stampin' Up. So I got this cute little kit. It's a little gnome. And what's really cool is only $9, $10 with tax. But what's cool is it comes with everything you need. It comes with the needle, it comes with the hook, it comes with your yarn, and even stuffing. So I was like, I gotta get it. So I did. This is really the first thing I bought for crochet in a very long time. It's been months. It's been before, not long after she was born, actually, my daughter. So, but it's a finished size, is 8 by 6.5, and it's an intermediate level, skill level. And they named it Hook. So I'm probably gonna keep that name because that's a really cool name. So I will go ahead and work on this, and I will let you guys know how well it works up. If it's something maybe you guys might be interested in. If you are, I would love to see your finished projects. Well, this is April. I'll see you guys soon. I know it's a short video, but I just had to share this cute thing with you. So I will do another video when I'm done. I might put up some YouTube shorts of me doing it because I've never done the shorts before, but I will try, and if it works, that'd be awesome. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.